Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do to this YZ is actually change out the front forks. And as you guys know, this is a 2005, and the 2005 was actually the first year they changed the suspension on the YZ, and arguably didn't do quite a good enough job. So in 2006, they made a huge improvement with the forks, and I guess that's where the legendary SSS forks came into play. And so fortunately, I was lucky enough to find this used set, a clean set off of a 2006 YZ250, and also checking to see if those upper clamps from a YZ450 F with the 1 1/8 bar clamps will work. So we're going to go ahead and swap those out today. I'm actually going to, at the same time, if you look really closely, these are the original tires. The rear one's really bad. I'm also going to swap out tires and borrow tires from my YZ125. So today I'm going to swap out the forks as well as swap out the wheels, go get new tires for these. They're the same sizes on my 125, both the tires and the wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out those, and I'm also going to try that triple clamp from the 450 and borrow the Pro Taper bars, Pro Taper bars from my 125 also. So yeah, we'll go ahead and stop it for now, and we'll show you progress as we go along. Thanks. Alright, so I took the front wheel off of my 125, and also you saw earlier the bars. Bars are right here. Here are the SSS forks. You can tell they're SSS forks because they have a copper top. It's actually one way to tell. Super clean. Here's the front tire I took off. This will likely, these are Excel wheels, will likely stay on the 250, and I will take the 250 wheels and put them back on the 125. So this is the 250. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this bike in the little shed and get started tearing apart the front end in preparation for the new forks. So we have the forks off, and now I'm working to get the handlebars off so we can get everything mocked up on the new handlebars. Just a really quick close-up here. So you could see the upper clamp here actually is solid mounted, and you can't actually put oversized bars. So these are still 7 7/8 bars, obviously, and I want oversized bars. So that's why we're again going with the 2008 450 top end. There are many others. I think starting in 08 maybe. Could be wrong, but starting in 08 they actually went factory Pro Taper or factory 1 7/8 bars. So yeah, that's the other reason why it's all apart. Might as well upgrade, and so that's what we're doing. Alright, so we took the factory triple clamp off the top mount. Here's again the 450 with the bigger bar mounts. Let's see how it fits. Washer there. Voila! It seems everything fits. Awesome. Sweet deal. Now let's get the forks on. All right, let's get these SSS forks into the bike. So these are the wheels off of the 125. They're dirty Excel wheels with Maxxis IT Desert tires. They're in pretty good shape. The old ones are right here, not in great shape. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on here for now and go for a ride after. Alright, so it's all put together. I got the SSS forks on with the Excel wheels up front and the Maxxis IT Deserts. Got the new Maxxis tires in the back. Got the bars on with the 450F clamps. Looks great, feels great. Only thing now is just to take her for a little ride, see how she feels. And yeah, let me throw my gear on. Yeah, let's go for a rip. Feels great. The only thing is I still break every single gear loose. So obviously not great traction here, but awesome bike. Shocks feel great. Everything feels great, just soaks everything up. We'll have to really test it tomorrow on a trail ride. So we will cut to the trail riding video.